Alright, y'all, this is my other side of the collection. Here's the Spider-Man Spider car. It's made by $1995 Marvel. And I got this Corvette here. And then these here. And then there's this one. The chrome one. And I got this one, whatever this is. This is a doesn't say. Anyway. Here's the rest of them. There's the 48 Taskmaster. It's never been out of the box. And then I got the Express truck. And here's the Mustang that I painted. And there's the rocket train off Thomas the Tank Engine. And the ambulance and the little Transformer car. And you got this one here. Little police wagon. And then you got this little spaceship thing. It's a pencil topper. And then you got this. It's like a Tootsie toy. Chrysler. And then you got the boat. And then you got the body here for like a slot car or RC car. And then you got this Tinkerbell. I just got that because I thought it was cool. And then you got this Dodge truck. Or Ford F-250. With a trailer hitch. Then you got this Chrysler 300. And you got this one here. Number 4.